In this lesson, we're going to learn pattern Won-Hyo. So this is Won-Hyo Hyung. So this one, there's a new starting position for this pattern. So you bring your feet together in a closed stance, make a fist with your right hand, and cup it using your left hand, just like this. So you don't want to have your hands down here or too high up like this or out this way. Left hand cupping right fist, and it's about in front of your neck, approximately neck level. So this is what it looks like. So a new starting position for pattern Won-Hyo. Now, when we start, we still go into ready stance. And then the instructor will say Won-Hyo Hyung, 준비, in which case you move here. Now, at the beginning of the pattern, you're looking to your left. A lot of schools don't get this. At the end of the pattern, you look forward. At the beginning of the pattern, you look to your left, like this. So the hands are in the same position, but looking off to your left side. Now, from here, pattern Won-Hyo. First movement, L stance, twin forearm block. Now, right knife hand inward front strike, no step. And remember, the opponent is here, not here. So blocking, striking, left leg in and out, and left reverse middle punch in a long L stance. So sometimes called a fixed stance. This is long L stance. Then other side, twin forearm block, knife hand inward front strike, and then punch. Now coming back, up, one leg stance, forearm guarding block. And then from here, side kick, step down, knife hand guarding block in L stance. Then from here, stepping forward, L stance, knife hand guarding block. And again, stepping forward, L stance, knife hand guarding block. Now, from here, stepping forward, fingertip, middle straight thrust in a walking stance. Now, from this position, here, pivoting, L stance, twin forearm block. Now, just like at the beginning, knife hand inward front strike, foot in and out, punch. Other side, twin forearm block, knife hand inward front strike, foot in and out, punch. Now, coming back, circular middle block in walking stance. Front snap kick, left middle punch. Then circular middle block. Now from here, front snap kick, punch. So again, middle punch. And this is reverse middle punch. Now from here, up, one leg stance, side kick, step down, forearm guarding block in L stance. And now on the other side, L stance, forearm guarding block, and key up. That's the finish of the pattern. So from there, come on. Right leg moves in. Breath control. And you finish looking forward. So that is pattern Won-Hyo. And it's the first time that we've seen both the one leg stance, and it's the first time that we've seen the long L stance in this pattern. So in the next lesson, I'm just going to do the whole pattern, start to finish, from a couple different views with no instructions. So you can see the full pattern at the regular pace. So stay tuned for the next lesson.